Traders, good evening. August 6, 2018, after the market closed. It's a Monday. Going to provide another update on Creative Med Technologies, ticker symbol CELZ. Remember, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. So let's get in it. My previous tutorial, I stated that, well, the last, I would say two, stated that it was bearish around here. Look to take some profits. If it reaches that level, it could deteriorate, and that happened. So those profit taking. That was Friday. Over the weekend into today, market open Monday morning, August 6th, and it surged up. It would have been nice if it actually closed around 5 cents, but the fact that those buyers today confirmed this weak support. This is what I call weak support, but they pretty much fought back and closed in the green. Looks like they're fighting back and they're trying to remove this bear flag. All they need to do is break above this line. You see this downtrend, and in my opinion, it'll pop and try to form a new high. I'm pretty sure I said this in previous tutorials. Same thing for this trend. Breaks below it, she heads lower. It looked bearish until Friday. Right now it seems like it has a channel. In my opinion, I wouldn't, if you're not in this position, I would not long yet. Okay, what I would do, in my opinion, I would wait for CELZ to close above this downtrend right here. So, for example, let's say it's 3:58 and the market's going to close in 2 minutes tomorrow, right? And CELZ shot up to around, let's say, 5.5 cents. I would try to buy before the close because I know chances are it's going to trade above this downtrend. As long as it closes above that downtrend, I am happy going into the next trading day. Okay. Now, if I get into position too early, and let's say it's 5.5 cents, and get in position too early, and let's say it's 11 o'clock in the morning, well, it has all that time for the sellers to fight it back down below this trend. So my whole goal is, in my opinion, for the individuals watching this tutorial and currently are not in CELZ, I would wait for it to get to that level, and around close time, a couple of minutes before the close, if it's trading above the downtrend, then I would jump in. Otherwise, I'll sit on the sidelines in the meantime, see what she's going to want to do. Remember, it's still in the downtrend range over here, but the buyers are fighting back, and there's still some wiggle room for the sellers over here. You see this uptrend? So that's where it's at right now, roughly about 4 cents, maybe a couple of ticks below it, hundredths of a penny below it. But it's still at resistance, right? About 5 cents, maybe a couple of ticks below 5 cents, a couple of hundred pennies. So it's in about a penny trading range. So it's going to get real close. It's in this pattern. I still think sellers have control. I would like to see it to close once again at around 5.5 or like 2 minutes before the close. If I see it trading around there, I'll probably smack the market just to get in. Have a feeling with 2 minutes ago it will stay above and close above this downtrend into the following trading day. So that's what I'll be looking forward to do if I see that happen. Once again, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.